Hello YouTube, this is DodgeFan2226 and I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server with port forwarding. So first things first, you've got to download Minecraft. Make sure you download the multiplayer server. So here's the exe and then here's the jar. You don't have, if you're on Windows, you can use this. This is the server.jar is only for if you're like modding it mainly, or if you're not running Windows. And since I've downloaded servers before, I have that little extension. I recommend deleting it. I don't think it messes it up unless you're running it with a text document. So I'm just going to copy this little code that Notch gave us because I'm too lazy to write my own. So I can easily write one. Just going to make a new text document. Open it up. Or paste in what it says, and then save it and close it, and then just type in whatever you want to call it. Like, I'm just going to call it Minecraft server .jar. You can put this as whatever you want, but then all you have to do is make sure the very last thing you put is .bat. Because this is a Windows batch file. And so you see how it says Windows batch file, that's what you need to, and they'll run that. This exe, you just click on it and it works. So you can try running these, but you'll find out it won't work. There's two things you can do. You can port forward, which you'd go into your CMD and type in ipconfig, C-O-N-F-I-G. No spaces, no caps. Then it's going to bring up a whole bunch of stuff that you don't really need to know about. There's only one thing you need to know, and it's this 192.168.0.1. I'm using a D-Link router with Charter, so I don't know if it's different for you guys, so oops, kind of forgot the code. This might be a problem. Oh yeah, here we go. So it's 192.168.0.1. Okay, and then since I have a D-Link router, it brings me up to this page. On default, there's no password, so you just need to type in what it says. I think it's LBB60. I don't know. I'm probably gonna get it wrong, but since I've done this before, I put a password on here just because I recommend doing it so then other people can't go on to your router. Then you log in. Oops. Yeah. I'm bad at reading those. 0B. I think that's a 15B. Okay. Yeah, okay. So it worked. So remember, on default you won't have any passwords, so just leave that blank. And so what you do is you go to this advanced tab. Click on it. And then all you need to do is virtual server. As you can see, I've made multiple different servers already. All you need to do is type into this name, whatever you want to call it, like Minecraft, Minecraft server, or like something else. I'm just going to put it a 1 behind, or 2 behind it, because I already have some other names. Then the application name, don't, just leave it blank. Then the computer name, you don't need to know this. All you need to do is just take that computer name, like here. You'll see that code, which is also right here. It says IP4 address 192.168.0.100. That's different for everyone's computer, and so just type that in. Wait, 1.2 Okay, so that needs to match, and this, you don't need to put anything here. It's just to show you what codes you can put in there. And so what this public port and private port, for default Minecraft runs on port 25565, and you need to make that the exact same for either one of these. But if you're going to run multiple servers, you'll have one that's 25566 or 25565, and then you can make one that's 25566, and that just makes it so then you're able to run multiple Minecraft servers at one time. I'm going to just do this just to show you that you can run multiple Minecraft servers and how to. And then make sure this is at both, the protocol is at both, and schedule is always, and allow all. Once you finish doing that, you save your settings, and it's going to give you this. Please wait for that many seconds, and then you'll be done. And I don't think you have to wait, but I just recommend you do it. Wait. While I wait, I'm just going to type in. Oh, God, I keep on messing up with that. .bat. No. I'm just doing this just to make it easier on myself. And then shower. Okay. And so now that I've done that, just so then I don't have them both in the same folder, it gets annoying because when they load their data. Okay, so you don't need this anymore, and you can click OK, and you don't need any. Oops, sorry, I made a big error. You also need to make this box checked, otherwise it's not going to load it. Now, since I was retarded, oh yeah, and if it's since this is the same port, I'm just going to make this one a different port for right now. And sorry about that. I hope you guys were following me carefully because I messed up on that. So now you can save it and go on. So let me pause the video and come back when it's done. As you can see, it finished, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run each one of these and show you how it works. So this is the Minecraft server.exe. I have been having this is a warning message that always pops up just because it's unknown. You can uncheck this if you want. I recommend it because it's safe. And then it will bring you up with this screen. Just to warn you guys, these are fine. The first time you load a server, this error message, the warning message, will always pop up. And so here is the Minecraft server. I'm running on version 1.1, and you see it's port 25565. Now this should be working properly. So now if I go into Minecraft, it should work. So let me log in. Multiplayer, and this is just mine. Oops, I got stuck. Okay, so as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, it's horrible quality probably because it's not Fraps, whatever it's called. But it's working. This is Minecraft server. As you can see, when I press tab, it goes to that. So it looks like it's working. If you want to run multiple servers at one time, here's how you do so. You go, well, also, let me just show you quickly. You just click that run.bat thing, and you see how it says, warning, server properties do not exist. Okay, starting Minecraft on server that. Then it says, warning, failed to bind to port. And the only reason why is because I'm already running a server on that port, which is right here. So the way how to go around that, here, I just want to run this, keep that running, is you go into your server properties, which normally it's a text file, and you just go and make sure it's I don't know what type of, it just needs to be a notepad, so then you can read it. And so this gives you some info. It says online mode true. If you put that as false, other people can't access it, only you, or I think it's like that. Spawn NPCs, self-explanatory. PvP, self-explanatory. Allow flight. This is only for if you're going to use like the zombie mod pack or other stuff. And once in a while, if you're playing on not survival, creative mode, sometimes it kicks you off because you're moving too fast, flying. And so spawn animals, oops, trees. And then server IP, I don't really know how to use this part, but you guys might be able to find out. And so here's the thing, it's called server port. What you would do to run multiple servers, you just make this exactly what you put as your port right here. So now that it's a different port, now that it's a different port, you close this and save it, and now you can try and now you can try and run Minecraft, and as you can see, it doesn't give me the same message. It just gives me a couple warnings because it didn't fully load last time. So I'm just going to reload it fully so then it's working. Okay, so now both are running. So here, this is the first one. Then you might be wondering how the second one. Well, I'll show you. Okay, I don't know why I just disconnected. But what you do is you add server. I don't know. And then you type in the IP, but you might be wondering how you find the IP. You go to anything like www.findmyip.org. There's many of them. You can just type them up here, and then it'll bring what's your IP, and so you'll find it here. So I'm just going to copy that and put it right here. And then the way how you run it on a different port is you just put colon, then the port number, so it's 25566. And now I press done. They're both running. So as you can see, this is a different world than this. And since Minecraft is Minecraft, it glitches out, so it looks like it disconnects after you go off of it. So this has been how to make a Minecraft server. Hope this helped you guys, and don't try going onto my servers because I'll hardly ever have them up, and it's whitelisted. So hope this helped, and wait for another Minecraft tutorial video. And if you guys want any just in particular, just tell me. Bye.